All right, let's start with IELTS Speaking Part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to answer. Do you often go to the library?
No, I don't often go to the library. I prefer to study at home because I think I feel more comfortable at home as compared to library.
Okay. What do you usually do in the library?
Normally, I read. Normally in library, I read books, newspaper, and some interesting novels while I am in the library. I find that library provides good environment for collaboration and discussion.
Okay. Did you go to the library when you were a child?
Yeah, I went to Qaid-e-Azam library located near to my hometown. As I entered in library, uh, I entered in the library and appreciated the atmosphere.
Okay, no, you need to talk about a library which you visited as a child and you need to connect it with your childhood. For example, did you go to the library when you were a child? Yes, I used to go to our school library very regularly in my childhood. I still remember every Wednesday we used to have a library period where we spent time in the library. So as a child, I visited my school library regularly and I borrowed some books from there as well. Okay, something like that. Do children in your country often go to the library?
No, I don't think so. Libraries are not very common in our country, so parents take often their children to park or cinema instead. So that's why.
Okay, to go to cinema instead. So that is why children don't like to go to the library. For children, libraries are boring or anything like that. Okay. All right, let's go on. Do you like wearing t-shirts?
Yes, I love to wear the t-shirts because they are comfortable. The fabric is soft and breathable. They are perfect in a warm weather.
Okay.
They are easy to wash and manage.
All right. How often do you wear t-shirts?
Yes, I wear t-shirts every day. In summer, but in winter I don't like to wear t-shirts because I like to wear woolly cloth.
Okay. Do you like to wear t-shirts with pictures or with prints?
Well, it depends on my mood or design. If the design is bold or interesting, then I'll try. But however, I like to wear plain t-shirts, so it's about my mood.
Do you think older people who wear t-shirts are fashionable?
Yes, the wear of t-shirt by older people is a fashionable. Fashion is about personal style and comfort. That's why t-shirts are versatile pieces that can be suit everyone.
Okay.
Regardless of age.
Right. Would you like to buy t-shirts as a gift?
Yes, I get a gift from my friend.
Yeah, I love to buy t-shirts as a gift for my friends.
So it's a very best t-shirt I've seen in my life.
Okay. No, but you need to talk about t-shirt as a gift, right? Yes, I would love to buy t-shirts for my friends as a gift. Whenever there is the hot weather or the summer starts, I buy beautiful t-shirts for my friends, and on their birthday or any other occasion, I gift them. So to answer your question, I regularly buy t-shirts for my friends. Something like this, okay? So try to elaborate further, practice all these topics, and you should have some ideas about each of these topics, right? And if examiner changes the question, I mean, if you think that it's not a question that I have seen in the book or anywhere, you need to answer that accordingly. Keep your mind open. I mean, when you answer the questions to the examiner, just listen to that question and answer according to the question, right? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.